Well, good morning, everybody. Santa Claus, now living in the Philippines, Dingalan, Aurora, Saturday, the 9th, here in Barangay Mataway. Very quiet morning. My phone says 73 degrees. I don't know, it doesn't feel that cool, but it is nice. Very nice. Let me show you the wall. Totally complete. Very nice. That's extra cement block there. The plywood will be taken down. That's just holding up cement to dry for the middle post. But it came out good. Glad I did it. Didn't really cost that much money. Like I think I said under $200. More like around $150. So it's nice having all this. All this is complete back here. Just have that side by the gate that's not complete. Not much I can do about that right now. But it looks good. Everything looks good. That plywood is for my cabinetry. I showed you that yesterday. He couldn't do it yesterday because he got called home. One of his kids got hurt or something. I don't know. He had to go home. But he's coming back today. Michelle's not here right now either. She had a date last night, so she didn't come home. She also has our passes because she was going to get them laminated. We got our passes yesterday. There's no expiration date on them, so you can come in and out of Dingalan. Just proves that you're a resident. Has contact tracing there. Yesterday I said that we were special, we got them, and nobody else got them, but it's not true. I didn't really mean it that way, just because I bought them lunch. No, everybody can get them here. Anybody that's a resident can get them. They just kind of put us first on the list since we did them a favor and bought them lunch. So we got them. We just have to get them laminated. It's just a piece of paper. So I hope she doesn't lose them while she's out and about. But they are picking up trash again on the beach, the green shirt people. Also, Grace and Catherine are down here picking up trash. I think Jimmy's feeling a lot better, even though he's still hacking once in a while. But I see the green shirt people all across the way there. They're on a different section now. Let me see if you can see them. There they are. Right there in the middle. There's Catherine, Grace, and Grace. They always pick up every morning our trash, so I don't know if the people have to come over here. Also, yesterday they put a mark on everybody's property. A blue mark. Ours is right about there in the middle of the screen. From that mark to the beach, you're not supposed to build anything. It's like beach property. It's like doesn't belong to you. Because some people were building too close to the water. And they don't want a big wave to hit again. Not that that mark would have helped. And they said if a wave does come up that high, they're going to take even more of the beach. They don't take it, they just don't allow you to build anything on it. I think we're pretty safe, especially with this Kubo. Even if they take more, I think the Kubo will be okay. Very nice waves this morning. I love hearing the waves. Like I said, the morning is really the best time to wake up and greet a new day. I think Catherine really loves it here. She seems like she's happy. I'm just glad I made the move so I can watch her grow up. I think I made the right decision. Otherwise, I'd be missing all this. If I was still in the messed up United States. Very messed up. Hope you guys get your act together. Become the country, the great country that you should be. I'm still proud of my country. I just want to see them do better. I don't really have that much confidence in Biden, the new president-elect. But we'll see. I hope they do something. So yeah, I wish I could do something with this part of the wall, but it's not going to happen. Not real soon anyway. Maybe eventually I'll go all the way to where the gate was. Behind the house. But we'll figure it out. Here comes our cabinet guy right now. He's pulling up. I don't think it's going to take him long to do it at all. But he's anxious. He's anxious to work. Rocky's barking. So other than that, there's really not a lot going on today. Just the cabinets. And wait for Michelle to get back. Hopefully she got the cars laminated. It's great you don't need any health pass or travel pass anymore. Because Dingaland, like I said, was the only area really that they're checking. They have a checkpoint. There's really no other checkpoint in this area. So we will probably go to Cabanatuan now, since we have the cards, on Monday. So I don't want to do it today. I don't want to do it on the weekends. It's probably just too much of a mess there on a Saturday. Sunday would be good, but I don't know what's open on Sunday. Maybe not everything. Maybe they are, maybe they aren't, but I don't want to take a chance and drive in 2 hours and having something we need closed. Usually things are open on Sunday in the Philippines. It's not like U.S. where a lot of things are closed. Especially privately owned shops, which Cabanatuan has a lot of those. They don't really close. But some of them only open half a day, though. So we'll go on Monday. Okay. Hey. I guess that's about it for now, everyone. Trying to get these dogs to shut up so you can hear me. And when the cabinets are done and the wood comes off the wall, plywood, I'll show you again everything complete. He's also going to stain the wood on the cabinetry so we don't have to do it later. It'll match. So once again, thanks for watching out there. Hope you enjoy this content. As I said, it's a lot better than what I can show you in Batangas every day. Anything else you want to see, I'll try to do it for you. Leave me a comment, leave me a thumbs up. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I got a few new subscribers, but I need a lot more. So please share the channel. Please pass it along. Tell your friends to watch Santa Claus here in Dingaland. And I will appreciate it. So take care of yourself and be safe. God bless everyone. That's going to do it for old Saint Nick. Over and out.